Well, it's Christmas Day. I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. That line of clouds you're looking at there, that is the monster that has been pounding us for the last 2 days, including all of Christmas Eve. That is lake effect snow here in Buffalo. A lake effect snow band. And right now it is south of Buffalo, and it is pounding them like it did us for the last 2 days. So they're going to have one heck of a Christmas. I think the same goes for us, no doubt. Look at what it left behind. Well, I hope everybody has a nice Christmas, and I hope you're all safe and warm. Thanks for watching.